When you want to communicate something about your brand or sell your stuff, email marketing is one of the most cost-effective ways to do so. Email marketing helps you connect with your audience to promote your brand and increase sales. You can do a lot of things with emails, like sell products, share some news, or tell a story. Email should be a key pillar of your digital marketing strategy. To not do any email marketing is like leaving money on the table. But if you're a bit confused about where to begin, that's totally normal. Email's a vast discipline. It's easy for beginners to get lost in a sea of tools, techniques, and terminology. It's best to learn how to do email marketing before launching your first email campaign. This way, you'll get better results and avoid embarrassing mishaps. So hang tight while we teach you. Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo. In this video, we will learn what email marketing is, look at how it all works, and provide you with some examples of how you can begin with email marketing yourself. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Let's begin! What is email marketing? Email marketing is when you send a commercial email message to your email subscribers, that is, contacts who have signed up to your email list and given express permission to receive email communications from you. Email marketing is used to inform, drive sales, and build a community around your brand, like with a newsletter. Modern email marketing has moved away from one-size-fits-all mass mailings and instead focuses on content, segmentation, and personalization. Email isn't a new technology. In fact, it was one of the very first means of digital communication to arrive back in 1971. But get this, email marketing, almost 50 years old, is more widely used today than ever. The phrase "email is dead" gets bounced around the marketing echo chamber every now and then. But don't believe it, email is only getting bigger. Just take a look at these statistics. Given the figures, it's not surprising that email is hailed as the most effective channel in B2B marketing. Not having an email marketing strategy means missing out on sales opportunities and the chance to strengthen ties with customers. From order confirmations to newsletters, emails are an essential aspect of the growth and management of your business. Email marketing will help fulfill 3 key objectives. First is conversions, that is, selling your products and services. Launching a sale or promotion, you can send an email marketing campaign to your subscribers to drive sales. Other email marketing techniques known to increase conversion rates include emailing a discount or special offer on like birthday or anniversary emails, welcome emails, re-engagement emails, or abandoned cart emails, triggered whenever a visitor abandons a cart at your online store. 2. Brand awareness. What's great about email is that it lets you reach someone directly. It's one-to-one communication at its best. And besides, people don't just let anyone into their inbox these days. It's a curated space reserved for favorite brands and publications. Showing up in someone's email inbox will help your brand stay on top of their mind. A personalized marketing email is more impactful than a social media post where you can't be sure if someone has actually seen your message. One of the major benefits of email marketing is its scalability. This means that emails can be sent to a large number of recipients for a relatively low cost compared to other marketing channels. Third, customer loyalty. Email drives customer loyalty at every stage of the buyer journey. Lead nurturing, conversion, onboarding, retention. It's a powerful tool for building community, as discussed at length in our guide to building relationships with email. You can create newsletter content so good that subscribers will be waiting for it to arrive each week. Let's move on to understanding how exactly does email marketing work. Businesses use what's known as an email service provider or ESP to send marketing emails. An email service provider is a software that sends and manages email marketing campaigns. It's also referred to as an email marketing platform, email marketing tool, email marketing service, or email marketing software. Now you might be wondering, can't I just send marketing emails with my regular inbox provider? Do I really need to pay for this additional email service? Technically, it's possible. Beware though, you're likely to run into problems with limited email bandwidth, design, and more importantly, email deliverability. Here's why. Internet service providers or ISPs like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, etc. are designed for personal use, not for email blasts. So when mass emails are sent from an ISP, it's easily flagged by spam filters and your account can be disabled for suspicious activity. ESPs, on the other hand, have the necessary infrastructure in place to ensure email deliverability, the ability to land emails in the inbox. If you want to set yourself up for email marketing success from day one, get yourself a dedicated email marketing service. Moving on, here are 2 examples of the type of marketing emails that are used by marketers. Emails can either be promotional or informational and fulfill a specific purpose in the buyer's journey. Promotional emails. Email marketing campaigns are used to promote, whether it's to promote a special offer, a new product release, an ebook, or a webinar. A campaign could consist of 3 to 10 emails sent over several days or weeks. Promotional emails have a clear call to action, or CTA for short. The CTA represents the specific action you want the reader to take, whether it's visiting a web page or make a purchase. This type of email marketing is sent as and when required, in line with the rhythm of your business. Informational emails, like newsletters. A newsletter, as the name suggests, share news related to your business, like new milestones reached, new product capabilities, or to highlight a product use case, sent according to a set schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. Newsletters help maintain a consistent connection with your subscribers. A newsletter is an opportunity to share insights, thoughts, tips, whatever brings the most value to your audience. Announcements. Email is the perfect way to inform customers of company announcement, new releases, changes to the service, etc. As a channel, email has the necessary formality for delivering important messages. This would explain why the email was the channel of choice for brands sending crisis communications during COVID-19. Let's answer the frequently asked questions about email marketing. What are the benefits of email marketing? Email marketing can help businesses reach a wider audience, drive sales, recover abandoned carts, and further develop your relationship with your audience. How do I build an email list? You can offer a downloadable asset, host a giveaway, or provide a free email course. What email marketing regulations are there? What is email automation? Email automation allows you to create complex email campaigns that send emails based on actions, such as whether a subscriber adds an item to their cart or downloads an asset. How do I segment my email list? Use your email tool to split subscribers based on demographics, interests, or customers versus non-customers. Then send customized messages to each segment. If you've been ignoring email marketing, it is time to re-evaluate your strategy. Email marketing delivers huge returns for marketers willing to learn how to do it right. It doesn't have to be too complicated. You can also visit our website, PaperVideo.com, and check out our blog section for the article, Email Marketing, Building Your First Email List. Link is obviously in the description down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Drop a comment below and tell us what topics you would like to learn more about. Thank you for watching.